Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Basics. Today I'm going to guide you on how to log in to your Baptist Health account on web portal. So let's get started. First of all, open the web browser and navigate to Baptist Health Login. You can do this by typing Baptist Health Login. After that, click on Sign in to my account, Baptist Health. Now you will be directed to login page of Baptist Health. Here you can see two login methods. On the right hand side of the screen, here is standard login and alternate login. For standard login, enter your username and password, then click on login. And for alternate login, enter your date of birth, email address and click on submit. If you have any problem during your login session, click here and get help in signing in. Baptist Health login page also provides you to retrieve your username and your password in case you have forgotten it. If you are new to Baptist Health and do not have an account, click on Create Account. You can also use Baptist Health on your mobile device. If you are an Android user, go to Google Play and download it. And if you are an iOS user, get it on App Store. You can also chat with the real-time representative of Baptist Health. Click on here and message your queries. And that's it. Follow these simple steps and successfully log into Baptist Health account. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share.